Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to upload multiple videos at once on YouTube. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is have YouTube open and of course be logged in. We're going to be coming up to the top right and we're going to be clicking upload video. This is how you normally upload videos, but we're going to be going to the YouTube dashboard inside of our Creator Studio right now. And I think this is only possible in a new layout, so keep that in mind. From this point, all you need to do is select your video and click upload. Drag it into this section right here and then fill out the details for your video. From this point, once you have all your details set up, we're going to be clicking schedule or upload in this case if you're going to be uploading it directly, and then you'll be brought to this screen where it'll give you details on your current upload. In this case, YouTube now has an option to click the close option, where if we click this, the upload will now be brought to the bottom right of our YouTube account, but you'll notice it'll say uploading one of one. In this case, in the old layout, you would have to open up multiple tabs to upload multiple videos at one time, but in this case, what we can do is simply click create, upload video again. In this case, I have another gameplay video that I want to upload, and we can simply fill in all the details for this as well. Once you're happy with all the details for your second video, click schedule or upload one more time, and then your second video will be added to this update list. From this point, we can also click close here, and if we come down to the bottom right, you'll see now two videos are currently uploading at the same time to YouTube. They have all the details set up. We can still go in and edit all of the details, including the description, thumbnail, title, and tags, and a couple of other things as well while it's live. We can even go a step further, add a third video to the mix, schedule and upload this as well, and you'll see now currently we're uploading 3 videos to YouTube at one time. Of course, this is going to take a little longer because your upload speed is being split across all 3, but if you want to leave this over at night time, or if you're going out and you want to have this uploading while you're doing something else, this is a great way to do it, and it works really well. Anyway guys, it's that easy to upload multiple videos at once to YouTube. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.